welcome to my channel. It's Gray Gamer Vlog. So for this video, meron tayo ditong pellet gun. Kakabili ko lang for only 170 pesos. Ito siya guys. Colt Double Eagle pellet gun. Ito yung mga kanyang magazine. At ito na yun, yung unit. Ito ay mabigat na pala. Sa kagandahan sa baril na to, meron itong safety lock. Kung hindi mo ito gagamitin, pag nakataas itong safety lock, syempre hindi natin yan makakasa. Pero kung mababa na, kung nakababa yung safety lock, makakasa natin yan. So what are you waiting for? Let's go mga lods! Yeah! So ito guys yung malapitan view ng ating Colt Double Eagle Series 19 T139 ang kanyang unit. So as I've said, ang kagandahan nitong unit na to is meron siyang safety lock. So pag hindi natin ito gagamitin, hindi yan makakasa. Pero kung nakababa ang safety lock, makakasa natin yan. So guys, meron siyang ejection port. Metal din yung kanang barrel. At itong yung front sight, yung rear sight, yung trigger, yung side view, and then yung magazine. Meron tong capacity of 13 caps or BBs. So ang kahalagahan nito guys, wag natin pupunuin ang ating magazine ng bala upang hindi mag-jam. Kung maaari pwede dito o hanggang dito lang para hindi mag-jam ang ating bala. So ang mga dummy parts niya naman guys, itong tawag ba dito, safe fire selector, and then yung hammer. Mabigat siya guys kasi ang bakal niya is dito sa may trigger at sa handle. Yung magazine magaan lang pero may bakal din siya sa loob. Ito guys, so yun, Double Eagle. So anong hinihintay natin guys? Testingin na natin to, test fire na natin to at tingnan natin ang performance nitong Colt Double Eagle Series 90. So ito guys, test fire na natin itong Colt Double Eagle Series 90. Yun o. May bala na siya. Tingnan natin ang kanyang performance. Boom! Malakas siya guys. Actually malakas tong Colt Double Eagle na to. Pakinggan nyo ang air pump pa lang niya. Oh! Ito yung bala niya. Makikita nyo ang kanyang bala pag nagkakasa kayo. Oh! Butas! Pak! Yo! So ito guys, sulit naman ang kanyang Colt Double Eagle Series 90 for only 170 pesos. I would rate this a 10 out of 10 because of his accuracy. It is accurate and it is powerful. The cylinder inside is a nylon cylinder. So guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope that you like my video. So please like, share and subscribe because it will help our channel to grow even better. So Double Eagle pellet gun, 10 out of 10. It is powerful, accurate, and it's a nylon cylinder air pump. I would say